When newbies decide to finally get a system like their buddy Chad, they take their $120 savings account and generally just focus on booming loud bass. So they get a 10,000 watt max amplifier and subwoofers too big for their trunk. Amateurs often neglect to upgrade their factory speakers. Have you ever actually seen a factory speaker or held one in your hand? Some literally feel like they're made out of like double layered construction paper and old styrofoam coffee cup lids. An excellent way to upgrade your main cabin speakers are with Kenwood's excellent KFC-X174 6.5-inch two-way speakers. These things are absolute beasts, boasting 80 watts RMS of power. And the best way to maximize their performance is with a solid amp. I don't recommend using the factory head unit of your 1992 Honda Prelude to power the speakers. Two-way speakers consist of a woofer and a smaller tweeter. These speakers feature a built-in 1-inch soft dome tweeter. The X174s hit a very solid range of audio with a frequency response of 69 to 21,000 hertz. That's why aftermarket speakers are so important. The improved sound quality gives a much broader range of frequencies, so you don't lose all those details with your music you simply can't get with factory speakers and their frequency range and subpar dispersion patterns. And those are compliments. New speakers change the way your system sounds. 6.5-inch speakers are probably the most commonly used speaker size in cars and trucks and are generally on the front passenger and driver doors. So these will fit in a lot of vehicles perfectly. The X174s have a mounting depth of only 2 3/16 inches, so they're easy to install. Since factory speakers are so poorly designed and built with tissue paper, scotch tape, and hopes and dreams, they will degrade quickly over time. Kenwood provides some serious peace of mind with their infamous 2-year warranty. That's right, 2 years. What a bunch of confident mother. I like it. The Excellent series speakers provide much improved bass, mids, and highs, plus deliver a remarkable performance and ultra clean bass. The speakers come with 2 adapter brackets for easy installation, 2 grill frames, 2 11-inch lengths of speaker wire, and installation hardware. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links in the bio. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button, but if you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.